Hey guys, it's Jasmine Rochelle and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Twist hair care products. And if you haven't already seen my previous video doing a twist out using these hair products, then go check it out. So as you can see, I just sprayed my hair with water and then I am going to detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb. And then I will be going in with the Twist Curl Goals Moisture Locking Leave-In Conditioner. This leave-in conditioner is supposed to detangle, soften, and shape your curls, and it's supposed to add extra moisture. As soon as you spray this leave-in conditioner in your hair, it instantly moisturizes your hair. Your curls will be defined, your curls will be lightweight, and this product also smells really good. So next I'm going in with the Twist Weather Up Gel. This is a weightless curl defining gel that is frizz fighting, long lasting, and there's absolutely no crunch. This gel also creates defined curls and blocks humidity to prevent frizz and flyaways. So just to go back over the steps, I first spray my hair with water. I detangle with my wide tooth comb. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner. And then I use my detangling brush to detangle and evenly distribute the product. Then I go in with a hair gel, and then I use my detangling brush again to detangle and evenly distribute the product. these are my curls. For the most part, they are dry. My curls look really, really good. And here is my hair the next day. It is super fluffy. It's full. My curls still have some definition going on there, and I really love it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.